Have you ever pondered over which text-to-speech AI tools are the cream of the crop in 2024? Well, today we're going to delve into the top 5 that you absolutely need to try. These tools have revolutionized the way we interact with technology and have a multitude of uses, from helping those with visual impairments to aiding in language learning, audiobook creation, and more. First up, we have Google's Text-to-Speech. This tool has been a stalwart in the field for a while now, and for good reason. It features a wide range of languages and voices, giving you a plethora of options to choose from. It also integrates seamlessly with Google's other services, making it a convenient choice for many. However, the downside is that it lacks some of the more advanced customization options that other tools offer. Next on the list is Amazon Polly. This AI tool is known for its lifelike voices and impressive expressiveness. It can even mimic different speech styles, making it ideal for creating engaging and dynamic voiceovers. However, it is slightly more complex to use, and its pricing can be a bit steep compared to other options. Coming in third is IBM Watson Text-to-Speech. This tool stands out due to its impressive voice customization capabilities. It allows you to adjust the tone, inflection, and speed of the speech to a great extent. However, it has a relatively limited selection of voices and languages, which can be a downside for some users. Fourth, we have Microsoft's Azure Text-to-Speech. This tool boasts a wide range of natural-sounding voices and supports a variety of languages. It also integrates well with other Microsoft services. However, it can be a bit on the pricier side, and its interface is not as user-friendly as some of the other tools on this list. Last but not least is OpenAI's GPT-3. This tool is a bit different from the others on this list, as it uses machine learning to generate human-like text. This makes it incredibly versatile and able to produce speech that sounds natural and fluid. However, it is a bit more complex to use and can be overkill for simple text-to-speech tasks. In conclusion, each of these tools has its own strengths and weaknesses. Google's text-to-speech is a solid, reliable choice with a wide range of voices, while Amazon Polly offers expressive and lifelike voices. IBM Watson stands out for its customization capabilities, and Microsoft Azure offers a wide range of voices and good integration with other services. Finally, OpenAI's GPT-3 offers a highly advanced machine learning-based approach to text-to-speech. The best tool for you will depend on your specific needs and preferences. A world of possibilities awaits in the realm of text-to-speech AI tools in 2024, so why not dive in and explore? Now, let's delve into why you might want to use these text-to-speech tools. Firstly, they can be a game changer for those with visual impairments or reading difficulties, enabling them to consume written content audibly. Imagine a visually impaired person using text-to-speech to read their emails, making digital communication accessible. Secondly, these tools can assist in language learning, providing the correct pronunciation of words and phrases. Picture a language learner using text-to-speech to hear the correct pronunciation of new vocabulary, accelerating their language acquisition. Thirdly, they can turn written content into audio, making them perfect for audiobook creation. Visualize an author using text-to-speech to create an audiobook from their novel, opening up a new revenue stream. Lastly, text-to-speech allows for multitasking, enabling you to listen to content while doing other tasks. Consider a busy professional using text-to-speech to listen to reports while commuting, maximizing their productivity. As you can see, text-to-speech tools can be incredibly useful in a variety of situations. The possibilities are as broad as your imagination. Thank you for sticking with us throughout this video where we've explored the top 5 text-to-speech tools of 2024. We've journeyed through Google's text-to-speech, Amazon Polly, IBM Watson Text-to-Speech, Microsoft Azure Text-to-Speech, and OpenAI's GPT-3. Each of these tools has its unique features and applications, catering to different needs and preferences. We encourage you to try out these tools and see which one suits your needs best. Whether you're looking to assist language learning, create audiobooks, or simply make your content more accessible, these tools can be an excellent asset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. We're dedicated to bringing you the latest and most comprehensive information on all things tech. Remember, the future of technology is in your hands. Until next time, keep exploring.